as a young guy, an upcoming guy, you see this car on top of my head, make it be the kind car where you buy. Even if you get like 50 million, just go buy this car. From 2004, 2005, 2006 to 2010 or 12, just go buy am. Your problem don't solve, and you go become car owner for a long period of time before you go need another car. But if you go buy Lexus or Mercedes, make I tell you, very soon you become carless, because you no go fit maintain that car when that money no dey come again. So wetin I go just advise you, in order for you to handle other investments or to invest your money, try as much as possible to go for this car wey dey on top of my head. Any other car, forget about am, just go for this car, Toyota Corolla 2004 to 2012. You go enjoy life. The money wey dey come, you go fit invest am, you go fit do every other things. Make nobody talk say na poverty mentality and you need to go big. Yes, you need to go big, but go see all the guys wey dey use Lexus and Mercedes. All the cars are packed. Maybe problem sef where don dey even dey some of the cars, they no fit fix am, so they are going to pack the car. People go start to dey ask you, oh boy, how far? Wetin happen? You no dey drive again, wetin happen to your car? You go know say you don be o. Now you no get any car again, you no get any car again, and so you just dey the top at the back. You sure you don start life from, you better say you no get am before, then you can't get am, you no can't get am again. So just start with this one and upgrade later when you don achieve, when you don arrange your life. All those cars where you see, all those big cars now, go just be a plus. You go dey buy them like water